Hi Tribe, I want to talk to you about the hacking productivity system. A couple of y'all have written in with questions, one or two of y'all have started experimenting, and I wanted to explain the system a little bit more if you're curious and want to see if this is a fit for you. The key idea that we are basing this on is productivity is actually a skill, it's a system. And in and of itself, it requires preparation because it's the system inside of which you do everything that you do. Right? Think of it as upgrading from a cycle to a bike, right? That's what the change is. Now, when we build productivity systems and we talk to different people, we found three big barriers when it comes to productivity. The first one is the barrier of guilt. When people screw up, they feel guilty, right? It's almost like they're surprised that they failed. What we want to do here is to take the surprise out of failure and get people to understand that setbacks are a sign of progress, right? And we'll cover this a little bit more on the call. The second barrier is overwhelm. Too much to do, I don't have time for productivity. But you want to understand that productivity is a system inside of which you'll do whatever you're doing. If you move from a cycle to a bike, how much more could you do? But the key insight or the key shift here is we start with something really tiny. It's a 45-minute call and then 10 minutes a day for 7 days. Then after that we can see if we want to proceed. And the last one is it's not personalized. So although I will bring some research and some of my experiences to the table, I'm going to ask you, what are your bright spots? Where were you exceptional? Where were you really productive? And what did you do well there? And then we'll try and capture that. You see, when people screw up, they spend so much time wondering why I did that, what if I could do this, if only I could go back. But people when they do really well, they just like go out and get a beer. Get a beer by all means, but why don't you also sit down and find out what made you really amazing then and do it more often? So these are the three pieces we'll follow. If you'd love to know more and would like to get started, inbox me and I'll send you a YouTube video and then we'll set up a call. Alright, till then, happy hacking.